Mastering the Art of Investing, Insights and Lessons from Warren Buffett. Hello everybody, welcome to Growth Gurus, where learning never stops. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of our time. He has amassed a fortune of billions of dollars through his investment strategies, which are grounded in a deep understanding of the markets and a keen eye for value. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the art of investing and explore some of the insights and lessons that Warren Buffett has shared over the years. The first lesson is that investing is all about understanding the market. You need to be able to read financial statements, analyze data, and identify trends in the market. This takes time and effort, but it's essential if you want to be successful. Warren Buffett says it's not about being smart, it's about being rational. You don't have to be a genius to be a good investor, but you do need to be disciplined and patient. Another important lesson Mr. Buffett talks about is that you need to be able to control your emotions. The stock market can be volatile, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype or panic when prices fluctuate. But successful investors like Warren Buffett know how to stay calm and make rational decisions based on data and analysis. Discussing another key lesson from Warren Buffett is that you should invest in what you know. This means focusing on companies and industries that you have a deep understanding of, and avoiding investments that you don't fully understand. Warren Buffett also focuses on you don't have gain and expertise in everything, but you should have a good understanding of the businesses you're investing in. If you don't understand business model, don't invest in it. Final and most important lessons from Warren Buffett is to be patient. Investing is a long-term game, and successful investors know that it takes time to see significant returns. So hold your investment for long-term and stay invested. Warren Buffett quotes, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." You have to be patient and disciplined if you want to succeed in the long run. So there you have it, some insights and lessons on mastering the art of investing from the legendary Warren Buffett. By understanding the market, controlling your emotions, investing in what you know, and being patient, you too can become a successful investor. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button to subscribe the channel. Growth Gurus, where learning never stops.